Hi and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will be cooking cassava curry with black swamp shrimps. The first thing I'm going to do is to fry the shrimp. Now I'm going to mix the masala. I have garam masala and curry powder in here. I'll add wiri pepper and garlic and white onion. I'm going to mix this up. And to my shrimp, I'm gonna add fish seasoning and black pepper. Now I'm gonna add the masala. I'm gonna let this bungee. Now I'm going to add the cassava. And I'm going to cover this and let it cook for 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes now. I'm going to add boiling water. I'm gonna let the cassava boil. Now I'll add the green onion. And I'm gonna cover again and let it cook until all the water is dry, almost dry. The cassava curry is almost done. Just a few more minutes. The cassava and shrimps curry is finished cooking. Here's my cassava curry with swamp shrimps or black shrimps and ROTI. And for the ROTI recipe, please refer to my video with the fry okra and black shrimps. Please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.